Hi everyone, welcome back to PRAKASAM tutorials. In this video, I am going to discuss about binomial distribution concept. Consider a random experiment that has only two possible outcomes. Consider any random experiment. That experiment consists of only two possible outcomes. Suppose, for example, in the coin tossing experiment, success corresponds to the falling of the head and failure corresponds to the falling of the tail. Assume that the probability of success is represented by P and the probability of the failure is represented by Q respectively, such that sum of probability of the success and probability of failure, that is P plus Q, is equal to 1. If the experiment is repeated small n times independently, if the experiment is repeated small n times independently with two possible outcomes, they are called Bernoulli trials. This is the significance of the Bernoulli trials. In this experiment, the probability of getting small m number of heads and n minus m number of tails in n independent trials in a particular order. So that particular order is head, tail, tail, head, 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 tail, head, and so on. Tail, head is given by the compound probability. So once again, in the above experiment, and what is that above experiment? Only two possible outcomes. If the experiment is repeated small n times independently with the two possible outcomes, they are called Bernoulli trials. In that experiment, the probability of getting small m number of heads and n minus m number of tails in small n independent trials in a particular order. So that particular order is head, tail, tail, head, 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 tail, head, and so on. Tail, head is given by the compound probability. So that compound probability is probability of in that particular order is equal probability of head, probability of tail, probability of tail, probability of head, probability of head, probability of head, and so on. Probability of tail, probability of H. In the experiment, the success corresponds to the probability of the success be P and the probability of the failure be Q. So that is uh, probability of H is P and probability of tail is Q. Uh, coin tossing experiment, the success corresponds to the falling of the head. That is that probability of the success is denoted by P and failure correspond to the falling of the tail, and that is probability of the failure be Q. So probability of H is P and probability of tail is Q. So therefore RHS term is P. Probability of head is P, probability of tail is Q, probability of tail is Q, probability of head is P, and so on. Probability of tail is Q, probability of head is P. And after that, an RHS theorem separately arranging probability of the success and the probability of failure, and P and Q are arranged separately. So therefore, RHS theorem P into and so on P, Q into and so on Q. So P's are repeated small m factors and Q into and so on Q that are repeated n minus m factor. So these are the small m times, P's are repeated in small m times and Q's are repeated in n minus m times. The probability of the getting m number of heads and n minus m number of tails. So that are m times into n minus m times. Thus, the required probability is p power m into q power n minus m. The number of ways to get small m number of heads and n minus m number of tiles in n independent tiles is denoted by or represented by NCM. NCM or simply NM, that meaning is the number of ways to get small m number of heads and n minus m number of tiles in small and independent trials, that is NCM. Thus, the probability of small m success in small and independent trials in any order is given by probability of x is equal to m or probability of m is equal NCM into p power m q power n minus m for m is equal 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on n. And this is the equation of, so this equation is called as binomial distribution of the order n and parameter q. In this binomial distribution expression, substitute various values of m. And what are that various values of m? M is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. And substitute various values of m. The above series is first substitute m is equal to 0, nc0, nc0 is 1, p power 0 is 1, q power n minus 0. And the first term is q power n. Substitute m is equal to 0. The series of the expansion, the first term is q power n. Next substitute m is equal to 1, nc1 into p power 1 into q power n minus 1, that is the second term. Next substitute m is equal to 2, the third term is nc2 into p square into q power n minus 2 and so on. Substitute m is equal to n, ncn is 1 into p power n into q power n minus n. N minus n is 0, q power 0 is 1. So, the last term is p power n. So, substitute various values of n. The above series is q power n, nc1p, q power n minus 1 and so on p power n. So, these terms are the successive terms of the binomial expansion of p plus q whole to the power of n, and hence is the name binomial distribution. In general, in an experiment consisting of small n trials, if head occurs small m times, then the binomial density function is given by probability of x is equal to m or probability of m is equal NCM into p power m q power n minus m for m is equal 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on n, and p of m is equal to 0 otherwise. And this is the equation of the binomial density function in an experiment consisting of small n independent trials if head occurs small m times. The corresponding binomial distribution function is given by capital Fx of x is equal probability of x less than or equal to x is equal sigma x is equal to 0 to n p of x. And what is the p of x? This is the equation of the p of x. Now here p of m and similarly r p of x, this is the equation. And what is the p of x? ncx into p power x into q power nx for x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on n. And this is the concept of binomial distribution.